Today, I have 5 tips for you on how to build a digital marketing strategy. A digital marketing strategy is basically the steps and actions taken to achieve your online marketing goals and objectives. Hello everyone, you're welcome to this web development and digital marketing channel. This is where we share tips, tricks and tactics, updates, upgrades and everything digital. For those of you who are new to the channel, you should consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button down below, give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that you get to know when a new video is out. My name is Kamira Geoffrey Elijah of KamiraGeoffrey.com. Today, I have 5 tips for you on how to build a digital marketing strategy. A digital marketing strategy is basically the steps and actions taken to achieve your online marketing goals and objectives. And I'll go straight to the point. Tip number 1, you need to know your goals and objectives. Your goals and objectives should be in line with the business goals and objectives. For example, if the business goals are to increase online revenue, then you need to know that you need to bring in as many leads and traffic to the website as much as possible. If the business goal is to increase on the subscription rate, then you need to know that you need to push people to sign up as much as possible. If it is creating awareness, you need to know that you need to broadcast to all the target audiences that could resonate with your kind of content. Tip number 2, know your target audience. Target audience is a very critical factor. Sometimes can be hard to determine, but all you have to do is put yourself in the shoes of the target person that you're looking for, that you're looking at. Profile them, create a persona by way of finding out their age, location, income, religion if necessary, political affiliation, whatever it is. But you look at the target audience and put yourself in their shoes so that then you give them what exactly they want. Tip number 3 is content and media plan. You need to create content that resonates with your target audience. It has to be good, compelling, the message should be clear. And you also need to choose which media platforms are you using. Is it going to be video? Is it going to be audio? Is it going to be text, images? Or are you going to combine everything? Which platforms are you going to use? Social media? Podcasts? Or in any way that you're doing it, you need to have a plan that works well with your digital marketing strategy. Tip number 4, you need to know your tools. You need to know your tools in advance and procure where need be, software, the hardware. Software, you may need some apps, some licenses, some softwares basically that are going to help you run your digital marketing campaign. The hardware will include the cameras, computers, equipment, permissions, whatever it is that you need. All the tools are supposed to be put together actually before you even start. Tip number 5 is implementation. When you know your goals, your target audience is set, media plan and content is clear, your tools are ready, the last thing is for you to implement. This is the last tip. Implement, launch the campaign and see how it moves. Monitor it closely. I'll give you one more bonus for my subscribers. Tip number 6 is evaluate and readjust. Regularly check your digital marketing campaign. Follow it closely. Make sure it is moving in the right direction. If there's anything, any mishap, anything going wrong, fix it and continue pushing. Monitor, monitor, monitor. Don't lose track. Monitor it hour by hour, day by day, week by week, month by month, and make sure it's moving in the right direction. So you, my friends, thank you so much for watching. If you want to know more about the World Wide Web, you should consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. share, and don't forget to push the notification bell so that you get to know when a new video is out. This channel is where we share tips, tricks, and tactics, updates, upgrades, and everything digital. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, consider leaving them in the comment section below. Greetings from the desert, and don't forget to check out my website at www.camirajeffrey.com. I'll see you in the next video. You take care, peace and love. I'm out.